How to stay motivated when you're not seeing results. Welcome back to Second Wind. My name is Troy, and I have a question. If you're on a journey to change your habits and live healthier, you probably hit moments where progress feels slow, even invisible. You put in the effort, but the results aren't showing as fast as you hoped. I get it, it can be frustrating and demotivating. First, it's important to realize that real change takes real time. Habits and lifestyle shifts don't happen overnight. I think something that we all can have a consensus on is that to form a new habit, it takes 2 months and even longer to see physical and emotional changes. Just because you don't see it on the outside yet, your brain and body are changing on the inside. That slow progress is still progress. Here's some strategies of what I do when motivation feels low or I'm not seeing like quick, obvious results. Number one, I do believe in celebrating some small wins, especially if it's one thing exactly that I'm working on. For example, did you choose that healthy snack? Did you get up and move when your body said just get up and move? These small victories can add up and really start that motivation wheel rolling. So it's easy to track like an outer form. Say that you're working out and you're working on your body to make it stronger and healthier. Well, you see those results like within a short time period. Number two, track non-physical progress. Notice changes like more energy, clearer thinking, just a more pleasant, better mood. These are quiet yet powerful signs of progress. Another one is visual reminders. I keep notes, and in my notes, I also keep photos and quotes that remind me why I started this journey. My health, my future, my family depend on it. Number four is probably my number one, but that's reconnect with your why. I'm looking forward to doing more videos on this topic, but for the sake of this one, when your motivation dips, remind yourself of the deeper reasons why you're making this change, like the deeper driving whys. Focus on the daily actions, not so much the big outer term goal, just the day-to-day, the step-by-step, breaking it down. And number 6, be kind to yourself, much like our last video. Slip-ups and slow progress are normal. Treat yourself with compassion, keep showing up. Another key is understanding that motivation isn't consistent. You won't feel pumped all the time, and that's okay. That's why building consistent routines and systems matter. They keep you moving, in that right direction when motivation fades. No matter what step you take next, no matter how small, is still progress. Keep trusting the process and be patient with yourself. As the rain starts to come down, if you're motivated right now, I want you to write down 3 small wins each day. No matter how small or how big, celebrate them and recognize that you're building momentum. And for the best part of the video, share one of your wins in the comments below. I'm looking forward to celebrating them with you. Reminder, motivation isn't about perfection. It's about showing up day after day after day.